Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to talk about in this Ultimate Mentorship and Educational Training Program that I'm doing a 48-hour flash sale that you'll never see again for the rest of this year. And so take advantage while you can. It ends August the 1st, 11:59 a.m. going to the new day. And this here opportunity is for a person that's looking to start their own online business and also wants to do tax preparation as a career and business model. So it has a combination of both training methods and opportunity embedded in one for the flat rate of $500. And you can use Afterpay as well to get started. So like I said, this is a one-time 48-hour flash sale that you'll never see again after that date. And the next time I do a flash sale probably won't be until 2024. So take advantage of this. This here shows you what's included. This here lets you know based on what's included who this for. And so if you've been watching me on Facebook or you've been watching me on my YouTube channel, you know that I work with new people who want to get started with their online business, and I specialize in working with clients who want to start their own tax preparation firm. So if that's you, this is an opportunity for you to come in at the lowest price ever of a flat $500 and accept Afterpay to get started, where you can make payments. If you're familiar with Afterpay or Akana or different types of programs, you know what I'm talking about. So this is a one-time 48-hour flash sale, ends August 1st at 11:59 a.m., which means you can come in at the lowest price ever of a flat $500. That's it. That's all. You'll never see this again. Take advantage of this. If you need to learn more, if you want to get me on the phone to make sure that you're hearing this right and you're seeing this right, reach out to me at 773-782-1320. My contact information will be visible on my YouTube channel. I'll also be posting this in my Facebook group, as well as on my Facebook page and page and profile. So there's no excuse, especially if you're the person that's already following me. You already watch me. You already have an idea that, hey, I might be the one you want to work with. Take advantage of this 48-hour flash sale for a flat $500 investment. You get to work with me to start your online business, where if you looking to start an online business in general, this package got you faded. And if you're looking to do a online business virtual / tax preparation service, this situation flash sale program got you faded as well. I got your back. Don't let it go past. Don't see this the day after and talk about is it too late, because yes, it will be too late. I will not be honoring this here promotion after August the 1st. So take advantage of it now. Get on the phone and talk with me if you have to, but do what you got to do to make it happen for yourself. And I'll see you in my next video.